Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions. And today we are discussing the second generation of a classic. This is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Yacht-Master, reference 116622 in 904L steel and platinum. This is the successor to the 1999 variant, the 16622, that introduced into the Yacht-Master collection the combination of the steel case, platinum bezel, and platinum dial with red accents. So this watch is 40 millimeters in diameter. We're going to roll it over on its side. You can see in profile, it's only 11.6 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 47.3 millimeters, end link to end link, 49.9 with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. I'll put this watch on my wrist. Peel back the glove so you can actually see my wrist. The watch wears nicely. Now, it does have a fairly broad end link to end link span, so I'm going to recommend this for wrists of 15 centimeters circumference and up. Again, mine is 16. Taking a look down the barrel, I've got a little bit of clearance on each side, particularly if you look where the lugs are. It's a very thin watch, and it will slide easily under a dress cuff. That makes it suitable for formal attire. It is a very surf-turf oriented watch, which is to say elegance for the ballroom, but also durability for the beach. And it is a Yacht-Master, so if you are competing in regatta, it has something to offer, both in terms of water resistance and timing. More on that in a moment. Let's take a look at the bracelet. It's an oyster-style 3-link sports bracelet. We've got a conforming end link to make it cleanly to the case. The links taper down towards the clasp. You can see polished outer faces, satin and polish across the top, removable links fixed by screws. We've got those on both sides. We have a clasp that, in spite of the genteel and upscale implications of a yachtsman's watch, we actually have the double locking clasp here, where you've got this beacon hook mechanism and the lift locks here. This is a spring-loaded lever-based lift lock system. You have to disengage to pull it up from that hook. But then you also have the clamshell lock. So this is the same kind of locking mechanism you'll see on a Submariner, even though this is not a dive watch. A couple of things to note. Inside the clasp, we've got the tool-free 5mm snap-in, snap-out, easy-link adjustment system. And if you look again, you can see that we have 3 pairs of divots in there. So that's a spring bar interface. Use your strap tool. You can move the anchoring point of the bracelet in and out to fine-tune that fit there. So you have 3 different ways to fine-tune the fit. You can see the internal of the clasp. And then the case, which is definitely not that of a Submariner. As you can see, the lug hoods are polished, the case flanks are curvaceous, there are compound curves, the lugs come to a nice taper rather than a squared off end. We have a triple lock crown in steel, you know that because of 3 symmetrical dots. Though the watch is 100 meters rated, the timepiece features the same kind of crown you would see on a Rolex diver, so I suspect it's always been a little bit more water resistant than its rating. The bezel is full platinum and it's bidirectional. It's actually got detents. A lot of bidirectional bezels, they just glide. This one feels almost like a bidirectional dive bezel in that it is quite well indexed. You line up the index here with the minute hand. Now you got a 0 to 60 minute count up timer. Note the use of polished, raised, and relieved indices and numerals, and then a media blasted base. And so this is for regatta or sailboat racing, generally sailboat racing, but a match within a regatta is 1 race. So the countdown is one of the most important parts of starting a match, and it can be configured different ways. So it could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, and this is effectively a programmable timer because you can tune it to whatever you like. And because it's not a dive bezel, it's not life-saving gear, so it can move in both directions. Taking a quick look at the dial, it is platinum, not platinum-coated, not the color platinum, but actually a disc of precious metal. It's got a lovely and lush media blast. You can see that we've also got white gold indices and hands, so they won't tarnish or oxidize. A few shocks of red, Cyclops eye magnifier over the date. Let's do a lume shot right here. This watch has Rolex's distinctive chromolite blue lume, and it is a scrambled series watch. So from the later series of these, you can see solid case back underneath it, caliber 3135, automatic winding with bidirectional winding action, 31 joules, 4 hertz, 48-hour power reserve, has hacking seconds, has a quick set date. The movement is a certified chronometer. adjusted in 5 positions and certified by the COSC. It has a Breguet overcoil hairspring, so in any position on your dresser, your wrist, or the deck of your yacht, it will keep consistent time agnostic of gravity. And it has a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for better shock resistance. The free sprung balance also allowing for more precise adjustment of the timing. If you love this watch, you should also know it has 904L steel, which is a type of high nickel content steel that is particularly resistant to oxidation, even if it's not rinsed after exposure to sweat or seawater, and particularly on a Yacht-Master, invulnerability to seawater-based rust is a wonderful trait. So reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.